Welcome back, Panda-Frog here, and we're doing the giveaway entry for Zoflo picker giveaway. He's giving away some challenge logs, or one, and he wanted us to tell him about why we are doing the picking stuff and how we got into it, and pick some logs we like. And you guys know me, I like the tiny log. I got the Burg here. It's a 50mm. I got an EOS here. It's a 20mm. And we got my most favorite log because it's just beautiful with the shackle and everything. Let me get some zoom in here. Alright, Pandy is still there, Mr. Panda-Frog, Mr. Panda. So we got all these nice tiny logs. So I got into lockpicking. Well, like 2 years ago, I saw some videos like everyone did on picking, and I was like, well, yeah, why not try it? I got a cheap set, the Gozo set, like everyone got or gets, and it was fun. Then I stopped for a while, and during the Corona pandemic, I had all the tools. I had really nice tools already. And I was like, yeah, I'm bored. And so I found the community on Reddit, the APU community, and I didn't know about it before. And I like the barrel system. That's why I started again to pick, and I met a lot of nice people. Made a lot of new friends. We are hanging out on Discord like every day, writing, and I got my website, challengelog.com, where you can put on your challenge logs, and you can track them there if you like. Also, I built with anonymous developer the multi-pick site where you can add your the serial numbers, and well, yeah, that's it for the multi-pick giveaways, and then you get a notification every month. So let's go to the picking. So basically, this Burg is crap. Just go in. No, you don't even need to go in. You just need to turn the core. So that is the worst tiny log I have. Still like it, but it is really bad. It is almost as bad as my IKEA log. This one is original IKEA, well, probably some Chinese stuff, and it's as bad. No picking required. Alright, just opening. I gave the one in a giveaway away, so let's see if I can open this tiny 6515 for you. It's a real log. Look at this log. Isn't it beautiful with the brass shackle and the 6515 on it? It is very, very tiny. Let's see if I can find a way to tension this baby and open it up for you so I meet the requirement. I basically met the requirement, but I feel like cheating with the other ones. So I need a different pick for this baby. Can we use this one? Yeah, it should work. It should be like 3 pins. I'm losing it. So they are not very difficult. But with the tiny tools, alright, so let's need some more control. I feel stupid right now, but it doesn't matter. It's all good fun. For a giveaway entry. And I really love this little brass lock. I got a little problem tensioning it. It's got a nice click there. Let me set the focus point correct, so it should be better. Let me really quickly check my camera. Come on, open up. What's wrong here? Use the last one. I think that's still too big, in my opinion. In my opinion, this one is too big. Let me see if I got something better to handle this. Like a really tiny tip. Still too big. I don't feel anything in here. I opened this before, so I will do it again. Getting a lot of clicks here, huh? I haven't put handles on the sparrows. Getting somewhat annoying without handles. I have to do that. There we go. Sorry that took so long. But yeah, it is open. So this one of my favorite locks, because it's all brass and it's tiny and I love tiny locks. The only thing they could have done better is a brass key. It would be amazing. So it's the smallest lock I have. I showed you the others. They suck. Also I got this little 6520 here. Let's try if we can open this one also really quickly. That wasn't quickly the first one, I'm sorry. If we can open this much quicker. Let's see. Should be 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. The last one is a deep one. Oh, put me in here. Correct way. So the first is springy. These tiny locks can be tough. Not saying they are, I'm just saying they can. If I'm picking the wording here. Probably raking would be much faster on this one. There we go. Sometimes switch off to a different pick helps. So yeah, that's a couple of my favorite logs. The 6520 from Abus, my absolute no, jammed. The 6515 is my absolute favorite because it's brass. Let's get it in here again. And the Burg Wächter just sucks. I don't know if it's. I mean, HV Logic got one from me, one of those, and his was like one pin to set, and yeah, well, you can see it's not that great. But the Abus 1520, it's like a little fight, as you've seen, and it's just a beautiful log. Alright, this is my entry, a little longer than I anticipated, but yeah, it is how it is. Alright, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.